Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about RBXReal.click, which is actually giving away free Robux, or is it just another sketchy scam site? Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. Now, RBXReal.click claims to offer free Robux in exchange for completing some tasks or surveys. Sounds tempting, right? But according to malware tips, it's not as good as it sounds. The site follows a common scam pattern, turning or luring users in with free Robux, then pushing them to click on shady ads or provide personal details. Malware Tips clearly warns it's not a legitimate Roblox source. And just so you know, there are no Trustpilot reviews available to back any of the site's claims. For the final verdict, RBXReal.click is likely just another fake Roblox scam. No proof, no real rewards, and risks to your personal info. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.